earlier lesson, we created a function that could take an argument. That made our function more flexible. Now we are going to make our functions even more powerful. We will teach a function to send something back. This is called returning a value. So far, our functions have printed things, but printing only shows something on the screen. Sometimes we want the function to give us an answer so we can use it somewhere else in our code. Let's build a simple example with a function that adds two numbers together. This function takes two parameters, first and second. They are like variables that belong to this function. We add the two numbers together and store the answer in a variable called total. The keyword return sends the value back. It gives the answer to whoever called the function. After return, the function stops running. This tells Python to start here. Now we can call the function. The number 3 goes into the argument we called first, whereas 4 goes into the argument we called second. The function addNumber adds both these arguments together. Then it returns the answer, which we store in a variable called answer. Now we can print it, but we could also use it somewhere else in our program. Save the file and run in Python. You should see the message. The answer is 7 printed to the screen. In previous lessons, our functions only printed something. Now with return, our function gives us a value. That means we can store it and use it in other calculations to build bigger programs. A function that only prints is like a calculator that shows you the answer but won't let you use it again. A function with return is like a calculator that gives you the answer, so you can keep working with it. You are now learning how functions communicate with the rest of your program. This is how real software is built.